Mike Kennedy with a yard sale find. What could this possibly be? No, it's not. It's not a taser. It's a Tavool moisture meter. Okay, got this for $5 at a yard sale. It cost they cost as little as $30. I suppose they go up from there. But the person was getting rid of his woodworking things, and most of the things were gone, but he still had this, so I bought it. Why did I buy it? It is also useful for growing mushrooms. If you grow mushrooms on logs as a substrate, you can adjust by taking that log and, watering it, or some people could even you could take a small log in and put it in your bathtub, soak it a certain length of time. But the idea would be to get a certain percentage of moisture. Now this is interesting. It does two things. It's got a mode switch here. It allows you to do lumber, okay, inside. Right now, you can see this little tree icon. I'll show a close-up of it afterwards. And you hit the mode, and then you get a building. So it does both, building materials and logs and wood and different things like that outside. It does a temperature too, in either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Right now it's saying it's 82 in my car, which it might be. It's warming up. What else can we do? Oh, there's a percentage scale. It tells you the range that it's doing when you switch the mode. But down here too, we have settings for different wood. In other words, the setting for birch is different than for maple or for pine or different things. So there's a scale in here which you can adjust. You do need to have the instruction booklet because it has quite an extensive list of all these types of wood. So you can put it in. It will say like J is pine or Y is birch or whatever, and then by putting that in, you're going to get a more accurate reading. So like I say, if you were woodworking or growing mushrooms, or I suppose building things with lumber that you're not sure is dry enough yet, this would be very helpful. Now we're just going to go out in the woods here on our walk with Pink the Wonder Dog, and we're going to see if we can find that down log. We'll try putting it in a tree, but that's probably not accurate because, of course, putting it in a tree, the sensors are going to sense that cambium layer that has a high moisture content and probably won't give a really accurate reading of what the inside of the tree is really like. Let's try. We're at the Fraser Trail head, and I thought, gee, here's some lumber here, sitting out in the rain. Let's see what we get for reading. I'm not sure what type of wood this is, but we'll just go with it the way it is. There you can see, and this has got a neat minimum maximum button, so it will hold it. Let's get it back in focus. There you can see it's saying that 23.6 for moisture. Let's try this wood over here that hasn't been direct. Look at the trash someone left. Gee willikers. Or maybe someone's picking up to throw away. But this wood has got a kiosk over it. So let's see if we're different. Oh, we got to get the number off there, I guess. There we go. And it's reading nothing. There we go. So, you can see this lumber here this kiosk, is 13.2 for moisture content. And I'll tell you this, those pieces of lumber are a lot younger as far as when they were installed in this kiosk is. But of course the kiosk has protection from the rain. And let's just stick it in a tree too, just to see what we get for a living tree. Yep, the pink will cooperate with me. Okay, let's try this. Oh, it went off the scale. It's so moist, so much moisture. Yeah, see, it's probably going right into the cambium layer, and of course that's like a short circuit for it.